guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you are here today. If you're new, don't forget to click the button down below, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. And if you're a returning subscriber, you should already know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. So these apartments have 4 stars on Yelp. They only have 7 reviews, but 4 stars is still pretty good in my opinion. The red pin is exactly where the apartments are located. These are in a really good spot. First of all, they're really close to I-25, so if you need to go somewhere that requires the freeway, then you're literally right there. And you're also close to a lot of restaurants. If you like to eat and if you like to go out, it might be a dangerous thing. The Pig in this Sprout is one of my favorite places. There's a lot of parks nearby as well. Sometimes my friends and we like go ride scooters around the park. You're close to Coors Field, you're close to the aquarium, and you're not too far from the universities if you have to go there. You are also not too far from the Broncos Stadium. Okay, so onto the apartment tour itself. Now that you guys know exactly where this place is at, I was able to look at 2 units, one bedroom, and the second one was a 2-bedroom. So I'll be going over the 1-bedroom really quick. When you walk in, you have brown laminate flooring, and then you have 2 windows. You have kind of a big one and then a small one, and honestly there's enough light coming into this room, so I wouldn't be unsatisfied with these windows personally. And I kind of like the little window. It's cute, like an accent window. Everything is in one room, not like your bedroom, but your living area and your kitchen area is all sharing the same space. Your kitchen is just along the wall. You have light brown cabinets with white countertops. I like the way it looks. Everything also looks really new in there. You have stainless steel appliances and a dark gray backsplash. I really like the tiles on this backsplash. Like, they're super long and skinny. They look good. Then we see a closet with French doors. I love French doors. Anytime there's French doors, I'm just like, I'm about it. The closet is pretty spacious. I do believe this is just a coat closet. There is also more room in your washer and dryer area because this room is unnecessarily large. I don't know. It's not bad. I don't mind it at all. I wouldn't complain either if I was living there. Maybe that space could have been utilized somewhere else. Directly across from the washer and dryer area, you have just a normal towel closet, and then you go into the bathroom. The bathroom has a huge vanity with his and her sinks, again for like a 1-bedroom. I just feel like the space could have been utilized a little bit better than what it is, but I'm not complaining because the bathroom looks pretty nice. I really like the mirror. I like that it has that like big light built into it. And then you just have a bathtub, and then after the bathroom you have the bedroom. The bedroom is honestly freaking huge. Like, you can definitely fit a king-size bed in here, a dresser, 2 nightstands, and a desk. You have the same window pattern as the living area, just the big one with the small one. The closet is pretty big. It's spacious for sure. Like, you can definitely fit your clothes in there. I think still, if it's 2 people, I personally would struggle with keeping both of our things in that closet. One thing that I do really like about the closet is that it has built-in shelves. That is such a nice feature when you get it, because I have had a walk-in closet that had like no built-in shelves, just one on the top, and I'm like, okay, it was a mess. So I really appreciate it when they do that. Hold on, I have fees for you. Application fee, $41 per adult. Screening, they do credit, criminal, employment, and rental history, automatic denial, eviction / filing for eviction, housing debts, open bankruptcies, misdemeanors, and or felonies. Income requirements, gross monthly income must be at least 3 times the monthly rent to be verifiable. Administrative fee, $350 due upon move-in, non-refundable. Utility disconnect, $8. $100 due upon move-in. Security deposits for a 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom, it is $250, and holding fee does become security deposit upon approval of applications. Pet fee, 1 pet $500, 2 pet $1,000. Pet rent $50 per pet per month. That's a lot of money if you have pets. They require $300,000 liability coverage for renter's insurance. Most places only require you to get $100,000. That's a lot. I don't know. And it's not going to be a big difference in like the amount of money you're spending, but for some people it might. That's everything that I have to talk about with the apartment itself. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. There are a couple of amenities that we're going to go over, well, that you're going to see, and then the 2-bedroom as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you want to see next, what you thought of this video, pretty much anything that you want to let me know, just let me know. And I'll see you guys on Saturday. I promise I'm uploading a video this time. I'll see you then. Bye.